Hello everyone. Good morning. Welcome back to our daily reviews. And today I'm going to be talking about five major stocks below $50 that you should add to your radar for 2026. Very important. And among the five major stocks that I'm listing out, I'm going to single out two stocks among them that is a high growth stock. Of course, many of you know that I don't just come out to list out a stock overnight. I take my time, months, sometimes 3 months or 4 months to monitor a particular stock, watch the chart, yes, and understand the movement and the behavior of that particular stock before I list them. So any of them that I list for you to buy, you can buy any one or you can buy either all of them depending on how you want to structure your portfolio. Depending on how you want to structure your portfolio, because diversification is important when you are building wealth using the stock market. You have to diversify because not all stocks perform at the same time. Some will outperform others, while some may just take time before they grow. But once they grow, they are already grown. And so one of those stocks is APLD. Yes, APLD has been talk in town. Last year, 2025, I listed this stock. This is 1 year ago when it was $3, $4. $3, $4. And then because I don't just buy when the price is so down, but we buy it when it consolidates. I bought this particular stock when it was $9 plus. I think I had over 100 units of it. Now you can see this stock 1 year today, it has done 332%. That is amazing. You can't find this in any sector at all except in the financial market. And this is what I'm listing for you today, because this stock is projected to touch $40, and once it hit $40, the next target is $60. Yes, this is one of those stocks that you should add to your radar. Yes, just add that to your radar. And the next one is SoFi Technologies. These two stocks that I'm listing for you, in fact, are the best in the market when it comes to their sector. These are growing stocks. This is a fintech company, and then most of these big companies or big banks that you see in America, they are going to focus on SoFi. SoFi is going to be their push up base, whilst West Vegas and many others that you are going to see. And this stock has done amazingly well. 1 year ago, you can see it has done $88 when it has done when it was $9 plus and all that, and today it is $27. This stock is projected to be $90, and this is where we are. And so when you enter the market early enough, you will have great opportunity to grow your wealth on the long run, because the stock market is best achieved when it is a long-term investment. Now I have another one here is Lyft. Yes, I have Lyft. Yes, Lyft currently is projected for $30. If I check the 52-week high will be $25, and the 52-week low is $9 plus. It has surpassed its 52-week low and currently focusing to hit the 52-week high. It has done $25 last year and it's going to surpass it to $30. So if this stock you put it on your radar and then it does above this price and touches $30, you have made a large sum of money depending on the unit that you're able to add to your radar. This is it. Now I have, again, these are stock that you should not joke about. I have Iron, just like that of APLD, is another stock that is doing amazingly great today. Yes, These are stocks that I don't want to joke with in this 2026, and you can see 1 year ago till today it has done $337. In June, in fact, I listed this stock in June last year when it was $5 plus. And a lot of my mentees, in fact, some of them were skeptical, it's so cheap and all that, but those who take my advice, those who take my analysis, today you can see where they are. So for those of you who have made it to my mentorship group, these are opportunities that I give to you. And 1 year after, you have to testify. You really have to testify. This stock is going to hit back to $90. You can see in November, in November it was doing $70, $60. You can see it before it drops, and it's going to pick up again. This is a new year. A lot of these stocks are going to boom. So make sure you add them to your radar and start as early as possible. So, having said all this, what are your investing objective and goal? You must let me know your objective and goal. If your objective or your goal is a short-term investment goal, you let me know. If it's a long-term goal, you must let me know, so that I'll be able to help you to structure your portfolio. And then don't forget, every one of you need to go ahead and fund your portfolio. If you are in this class, in this mentorship group, your first goal is to make sure that your portfolio is up to $1,000 portfolio, because we are talking money. We are going to be trading, we are going to be investing, we are going to be, recycling the investment. Once there is a higher opportunity, we sell what we have and then pick up another greater opportunity. That is how the market goes. You don't sit in one place and just expect everything to just happen the way it is. No, we always look at the market, and that is why you are here. You must benefit from my mentorship. I will guide you. Yes, I will always guide you. So make sure you do this. I think I have one other stock again, which is Nebius. Yes. Nebius is actually trading around $96, and this stock is projected to go to 120. Yes, let me check. You can see the 52-week high will be 141, and the 52-week low is 18. It has passed 18. The next focus is $120 and $140. So those who are about to enter the market, this is an opportunity for you. And you can see this particular stock 1 year ago, 1 year today, it has done $218. Why I'm telling you all this is that so that whatever I'm giving you today, you should look at yourself or your portfolio or your investment 1 year after. All these are what I did for all my mentees last year. And today, many of their portfolios are done 500%, 300%, 150, 120, 200. That is what you should focus on. And we are here to make work. We are here to grow. So I will always be here to guide you through. So first thing you must do, fund your portfolio. If you don't know how to do that, you message me or you message my secretary or my team. We will always guide you through. Don't buy stock because of the number. Look at the chart. Always look at the chart, because all these stocks that I've just listed out now, if I want to look at the chart, you will always see the movement of the charts, how they go. You can use TradingView to visualize the chart and see how the market has actually performed, the behavior of this stock. So in my subsequent analysis, I will explain to you how you can understand these charts. Yes, how you can understand this chart, both the MACD, any of them. All these charts are very important for investors to understand. And again, for those who want to make stock investment as a business for them, that is in managing people's portfolio, like what I do indicate, I will tell you what it takes to be able to learn it, so that you can begin to render the service to other clients and get paid because this is an opportunity. This is a market that is yet to be tapped. Of course, many people don't like to read, and this is what we do. We study, we buy a lot of courses, we buy a lot of applications to be able to do all this. For you, as you're watching this, make sure you like this video. Make sure you like it. Help this video to get at least 50 likes. See you when the market opens.